Today we're taking a look at the holy oil in Magick. And we're going to continue our reading of Book 4, or Magick. And today we're talking about the holy oil. So, I had some other stuff planned, but at least we'll get some of these daily readings done. At least we'll get some of the reading done today. So, the holy oil. The holy oil is the aspiration of the magician. It is that which consecrates him to the performance of the great work. And such is its efficacy that it also consecrates all the furniture of the temple and the instruments thereof. It is also the grace or chrism. For this aspiration is not ambition. It is a quality bestowed from above. For this reason the magician will anoint first the top of his head, before proceeding to consecrate the lower sinners in their turn. The oil is of a pure golden color, and when placed upon the skin it should burn and thrill through the body with an intensity as of fire. It is the pure light, translated into terms of desire. It is not the will of the magician, the desire of the lower to reach the higher, but it is that spark of the higher in the magician which wishes to unite the lower with itself. Unless, therefore, the magician be first anointed with this oil, all his work will be wasted in evil. This oil is compounded of 4 substances. The basis of all is the oil of the olive. The olive is, traditionally, the gift of Minerva, the wisdom of God, the Logos. In this are dissolved 3 other oils: oil of myrrh, oil of cinnamon, oil of galangal. The myrrh is attributed to Binah, the Great Mother, who is both the understanding of the magician and that sorrow and compassion which results from the contemplation of the universe. The cinnamon represents Tiferet, the sun, S-U-N, the sun, S-O-N, in whom glory and suffering are identical. The galangal represents both Keter and Malkut, the first and the last, the one and the many, since in this oil they are one. These oils taken together represent the whole tree of life. The 10 Sephirot are blended into perfect gold. This oil cannot be prepared from crude myrrh, cinnamon, and galangal. The attempt to do so only gives a brown mud with which the oil will not mix. These substances must be themselves refined into pure oils before the final combination. This perfect oil is most penetrating and subtle. Gradually it will spread itself, a glistening film, over every object in the temple. Each of these objects will then flame in the light of the lamp. This oil is like that which is in the widow's cruse. It renews, C-R-U-S-E. This oil is like that which is in the widow's cruse. It renews and multiplies itself miraculously. Its perfume fills the whole temple. It is the soul of which the grosser perfume is the body. It is the soul, S-O-U-L. It is the soul of which the grosser perfume is the body. The phial which contains the oil should be of clear crystal rock, and some magicians have fashioned it in the shape of the female breast, for that it is the true nourishment of all that lives. For this reason also it has been made of mother of pearl, and stoppered with a ruby. Okay, and then here is a depiction of the wand, cup, sword, disc, or pentacle. Alright. And, so there's the wand, cup, disc, and pentacle. and that was speaking about the holy oil. And in the previous chapter, where it spoke of the scourge or the whip, the dagger, and the chain, there's a little graph that shows the oil. That's the oil in the center of the scourge or whip, dagger, and chain. That's the oil in the center. All right. And then tomorrow we get to one of my favorites. Tomorrow we will continue with the wand that represents the will of the magician. So that will be tomorrow. So I had a lot planned for today, and there's a lot more coming out. But we got some of our reading done, and there's a lot more coming out, y'all. I will see y'all in the next video. All right. Hope everyone's having a great day.